Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 451M relay connections and 415M relay connection is a combination of two 412HM1CS relays. So here you can see a 451M relay and we broke it, and after that we got a two of the uh, two two of the 412HM 1C 1S relays. Okay, so the basic relay diagram is as like here. Here we can see the different colors and their descriptions. So here is one relay and here is another relay. So this normally closed part brown cable is 87A, normally closed white one is 87A, and violet one is 87 only, normally open, another violet 87, and green lock input, that is one relay coil energizer, and blue unlock input is another relay coil energizer, and blue unlock output is number 30, that goes to your lock, that means this one, and here is green lock output, that goes to the lock, other leg of the lock. So here what we did is, here in the violet part we gave 12 plus 12 volt, and in the red is a common input, so in red we gave red in the ground. Here is the ground. So according to the diagram, I connected all the components from here. So I used two LiPo batteries. One is here, it's 12 volt, and this is a Thunder Power PC, it's also 12 volt, around 11 volt. So yeah, but I didn't use this one, but we can use this one as well. And here is my output, blue and green, to the lock. So at first what I did is, here is my three inputs, red, violet or blue, and green. So I am gonna put this red in the ground, and then we see what happens. Then we see here my red inside. So for red and green, the lock should be locked. So here is the red, here is the green, and we saw the sound, red and green input, lock is locked, fully locked. Now we are gonna change the green wire to blue, so the lock will be unlocked. So here red is our common cable, so then I will see what happens to the, here is the red and blue, or you can say red and violet, because I didn't have the blue cable. So red goes to 0, that means minus terminal, and violet goes to plus terminal. You see the lock is fully unlocked, it's all the way unlocked. So yeah, so I have to put in a switch, this 3, so press the button, I can make it on, I can make it off, and yeah, so that's all. So before I finish, let me show the connection one more time. Here is the violet, violet, that means 87 normally open, that goes to plus. That comes from two of the violets, common violets, 87, so that goes to plus. And brown and white from 81851M relay, that is not 87A, normally close. So that terminal we put both in the negative terminal of the LiPo battery. And this 230, these two we put in the lock. And so blue and green black cable. And the input cable you just saw, these three input cables. Red is the common one, and that goes to the ground. Here you can see more clearly. Red is the common ground, it goes to the ground. And when you use this one, 12 volt violet one, then that means you unlock it. And when you use green one, then you lock it. Green one is lock. Let me double check. Yeah, green one is lock. Yeah, I did right. So yeah, I said right. So that's all, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, if it's useful to you, like the video and post some comments. And yeah, and that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.